This is the preview to my mixtape called The Hottest Winner Ever.
Money.
You remember what I said? The hottest winner ever.
Hot.
Yeah. Next time your money.
Too fresh for TV. Let's go.
Dog game. Put the chopper to his head, call him Nino. Rockin' orange Vans that I brought from Puerto Rico. Got your girl rolling easy, like she don't need a reload. Me, I'm doing me, why these haters feel my swagger? Mind done balanced like a ladder on the ladder. They say that money talk, but I can afford the chit chatter. We so loud, how can I ignore it? Bullets fly in your mouth, keep talking bullshit. My God, wait a minute, my swag hard. So hard that I can pluck a bad broad. 2 times for the gang, then I've been a dog. I eat beats and use these rappers for my dinner claws. Open up, baby, and show a nigga love. If that pussy wet, I'm bringing toes to the tub. Room full of bad girls, but they don't need a club. Drinking XO, like kisses and hugs. Drinking XO, like kisses and hugs. Drinking XO, like kisses and hugs. Huh? Like kisses and hugs. Hello? Huh?
Fly
300 rooms, send them to your boss. Why knock on the door, bullet through the wall? Bring them out the house and drag them to the car. Watch a nigga ball while your girl free ball. Swagger on bait, watch them bite it like jaws. Counting dirty money, need to cut my nails off. Swag flow, ride beats, but I never fall. Heart ice cold, I need to unthaw. Money. So dog gang, that it ain't funny. I ride on the beat and you can keep the car running. Pistol in my pants like the hand on Bundy. Treat them like a duffel bag and fill that bitch with money. Closet full of kicks like every day I'm punting. We so loud. Hold up.
Every day I'm blowing. Flying out the name.
Okay,
yeah,
everything I'm blowing. Guess you already know I got that line.